hey, we're doing this conference again. We're going to be adding some stuff to it. A little more music classes, some more things. Again, we're going to have this wonderful group behind you here.